dan toch? Zo. Right. Kunnen we iets zien? Tja. All right. Touch it some more. Nope. Nope. 10 milliseconds. Yeah. Tja. YouTube. Okay. I think I'm live, right? So, hi folks. This is just a very quick live stream. I wanted to show you that Venus will go behind the moon today. However, we have a very unclear skies. So we have cloudy skies today. And I can just see Venus. You can see it on the bottom left. And let me try to increase the picture here, but it's very difficult. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, no. So maybe I should also try to refocus. So, okay, anyway, what I'm going to show you is that in about 10 minutes, I think, you can see it here, Venus will actually go behind the moon. So it's here 10:30, and in about, I think maybe half an hour or so, Venus will actually move behind the crescent moon here. It's in the daytime sky for me, and then it will come out on the other side, right, behind the moon. So that's what I'm trying to show you. But unfortunately, the weather is very bad. You can see it here. So this is a live view of my camera. And yeah, so cloudy skies, unfortunately. So I'm trying to enhance the picture. Let me try to do it. Yeah, I think it's clouds here. So sometimes, oh, maybe, yeah, this is maybe not so nice, but you can't see what's happening. So you see here the crescent moon. I need to stretch it all the way. Let's see if I can do something here. So you can see it a little bit at least. Oh, yeah. So I was hoping for clear skies today, but nope. Oh. Come on. Why can't I move this? So anyway, you see, yeah, it's still, I'm going to try to refocus. Am I showing you? So yeah, this is the live view. This is maybe a little bit better. Ay. Oh, I was hoping for some, like, maybe a miracle that we will have like 5 minutes of clear sky so I can really show you what's going on. Okay, I will leave it at this. So anyway, I don't think this happens too often because you have to be in exactly the right position. Can't I do it a little bit? Yeah, it's behind the clouds, guys, so I'm trying to give you a view. Yeah, so you see, if I increase the exposure, I'll wash out the live view. 6 milliseconds maybe? No. So I have to clean my camera. That's, you can see it here. So let me stretch it all the way. This is not the nicest picture you can have, but so at least you can see what's happening. And maybe I can do some background extraction. Maybe that helps. Let's see. Simple offset maybe. Oh no, I'm completely losing the picture like that. But maybe if I then do this. No, No. Blended offset. Did something. And then increase maybe the exposure. I'm trying everything I can to give you a decent picture here. Nope. 7 milliseconds. You can't see the moon. You can't see the moon like this. So the only thing I can do is this. An extreme stretch. Right. So anyway, you can see here, we have Venus, we have the moon. And this is Stellarium. So this is a virtual view. Can I show it to you? So this is a virtual view. So this is what's going on right now. We see the crescent moon and we see Venus here. And this is the live view. Oh, look at those donuts. I need to stretch it all the way because otherwise you cannot see the moon through the clouds. Maybe I can do a little bit of this. What's a white balance? Yeah, very thick clouds, unfortunately. Well, so this also means that I'm a bit desperate, right? Because I didn't have any clear skies for the past, I think 2 or 3 weeks now. There are sometimes like 30 minutes of clear skies, maybe an hour, but we have had a lot of rain in Western Europe. And this is one of the, I saw that it was very hazy today. We have a lot of clouds here in the sky, but at least it was dry. So that's why I was trying to show you this, but you can see the picture is getting washed out. You see Venus, it's almost at the edge of the moon, but even this, oh yay. Let me see if I can somehow, I don't think I can, this is the main problem. I cannot shoot through the clouds. Nope. Let me try to stretch it a little. Does that help? Doesn't help. Oh my god. Ah, sorry guys. Slightly bewolking. Oh, there are a lot of other people who are trying to capture it, but yeah, this is the view you will be getting through your telescope. There's one big enemy, and that's of course hazy skies, clouds. The only thing I can do is this. So you can see it at least. It's a very grainy picture. It's ugly, but oh, even then you see that the clouds are rolling in. But anyway, Venus is almost behind the moon now. I'm not going to take any pictures because they will not be very nice. I was hoping for clear skies, but unfortunately not. Anyway, we still have it. Let me try. Nah, and I continuously need to rebalance my view. You can see the clouds here. Ay. It's almost there. I think maybe at 11 then. Let's see, it's now 10:30 for me. You can see that Venus almost touches the edge. And of course I can show you what it would look like if you would have clear skies. It would look like this. Very nice. But the reality is that we have this. Still, we can see it. So, what do you think, guys? Let me try and move the telescope a little bit. Oh, all the way around. So here we have Venus. Oh, not too much. And it's gone again. And here we have the moon. I can only show you this grainy picture, unfortunately, but it is alive. It is alive. I don't think I'm seeing it today. There are other people with clouds. Looks like typical astronomy. Yep. Now we're almost there. Let's see. Let me check, like... It's maybe like half an hour, I think maybe even less. Maybe even 10 to 20 minutes away from complete disappearance behind the moon. I'm going to take a picture anyway. Let's see, but if I unstretch it, you cannot see anything, huh? You can't see anything. Chips. Gain increase, does that help? Let's see. Not really. I do like a very grainy picture, maybe. Let's see. Not really, yeah? No, it stays hazy. The only thing I can do is stretch the image a little bit. Like this. Oh, okay, let's take a picture. Let's do... Let's see, start capture. Yeah, why not? Venus, moon. Start. Okay. I'm taking a 1-minute video here. Adam, should I ban you right away? This is Venus going behind the moon. Timeout. 5 minutes. I was hoping for one clear patch. Let me check outside. It remains hazy. So, how are you all doing? This is what it should look like. Isn't virtual reality beautiful? When there are no clouds. But this is the reality. Still, you can see the craters of the moon. I'm zoomed in about 2000 millimeters of focal length. So this is, I think, you cannot get more zoomed in than this. Yeah, you can, but I was already happy to find the moon and Venus in the daytime sky. It's not so easy. Let me get another. Oh, no, no, no. Here we go again. Oh. I'm going to try to capture another video. Let's see. Get a video in SCR. No, no, no. It's washing out. So this is what we have to deal with in Western Europe, unfortunately. But Venus is almost behind the moon now. Yep. Consistently had bad weather for weeks. Stargazing is far between today, no exception. Yes. I know the feeling. That's why I'm streaming this. So at least you know you're not the only one who is experiencing a lot of bad weather. Oh guys, it's almost behind the moon, Venus. Of course, this is an optical illusion. We see Venus behind the moon at my specific latitude as seen from Earth. But of course, in reality, these two celestial bodies, they are, I think, 150 million kilometers apart. No, maybe 100. I don't know. I have to check actually. Because Venus, I think it is a bit closer to the sun right now as opposed to the moon. But anyway, let's enjoy this moment. So this is, of course, yeah, the moon is about, I think, 380,000 kilometers away, and Venus is most of the time, like on average, it's about, I thought about 100 million kilometers away. So they're not going to crash into each other. If you think, some people think that happens, but of course, it's an optical illusion. So they are not actually crashing into each other. So we have a Venus set on the surface of the moon. That's pretty cool. Now, if you would only have like 1 minute of clear skies without the clouds, I could show you a beautiful Venus set. But anyway, I can show you this. I hope you already are happy with that. Let's see, can I... Oh, no, I need to go here. Nah, I like it just like this. Yeah, this is beautiful, I think. It's November. Yeah, we have to wait until the end of February, probably. Let me do another capture. Oh. 30 people watching. Hello, 30 people. So you are watching Venus going behind the moon. It almost happened. So these are the final few minutes. We can see actually it is interesting to see that Venus is not fully lit. That's because yeah, Venus also has its phases just like the moon. So right now the sun is actually shining like illuminating about 50% of Venus's disk, and that's why you see like this half moon. Actually that's Venus, and we see the crescent moon in front. And I'm trying to take, let me take one more video here before it actually goes behind the moon. So we are actually in the final stages, and then we have to wait for, I think, about an hour before it will reappear on the other side of the moon. Okay, let me just go do this, and this, and this. Yeah, oh, and then press start again. So I'm trying to capture some videos, even with these bad images. Greetings from Berlin. Let's see. Oh, guys, it's happening. Here we go. Oh, so I kind of hope that there is like this one clear patch of skies, but instead we will have more. We have more clouds. Yeah. Let's do this. No, we can't see it. Ay. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's clear, I think. Kinda. Here we go. No. So, Venus now setting behind the moon, as you can see. I wanted to show you a live video because, you know, otherwise people think it's fake or AI, but these clouds are definitely not AI. Oh. Here it goes. I have to refocus continuously because of the moving cloud. Here we go. Almost behind. Oh, and that's it, I think. Bye-bye, Venus. Ooh. Well, at least I'm happy to have seen it live, right? Yeah, it's gone. Let's see, is that actually... Yep. So I think now we have to wait for an hour before Venus will reappear on the other side. So yep. That's it. I just wanted to show you the disappearance of Venus. Let me just check how long it will take. Let's see, it's now behind the moon. And we will have to wait until... Oh, it is kind of... Let's see. It will reappear at... It says 11:40, about 12. So that's about an hour from now. So Venus will be behind the moon for about 1 hour. And then it will reappear. Let me just check my weather conditions. Maybe I will stay with you for that 1 hour, right? Radar. I'm just checking my my weather forecast. Let's see if it's... I have any chance. Yeah, it is hazy, but it is not completely clouded. It's not completely... yeah. I think I will try to show you the reappearance of Venus again. So we have to wait for an hour then. So, sorry, I'm recovering from COVID. Oh no, I don't know if it was COVID. It was a bad case of the flu. I didn't actually test myself. So yeah, we do you want to wait for the reappearance of Venus? Look, this is the real. These are the clouds rolling in. Whoa! But sometimes we get a glimpse of the surface of the moon. This is the daytime sky, by the way. So it's, and we are washed out again. Yeah. So this is not something you want to see, probably. So I can also show you here, but I have to. Oh, my stellarium is not completely. It is now 10. Let me show you the virtual view then at least. 50, 51. Right. So let's put that center. I can. Oh, you can't see it, right? I will show it to you. So this is Venus. All right. So this is the actual situation. So I timed it exactly the way. So it's now 10:51 for me. And Venus will reappear at 11:48 if we can see it through the clouds. So, and this is the live view, completely washed out, the moon at the moment. Stretch. Let's see. No. No. Yeah. Here is a little bit the disc. Steve, you're welcome. Yeah, it has to be exactly lined up. I don't think that Venus will like Venus. This is like an optical illusion. So Venus is exactly behind the moon at my specific latitude. So I'm in the Netherlands, the west of Europe. But it doesn't necessarily has to be the case that for you Venus is also behind the moon. It depends on the place you are at Earth, in Earth. So if you're at a different location at a different latitude, then probably you might see a close approach of Venus, like Venus getting close to the moon but not disappearing completely behind it. So it is an exact kind of thing. It has to be lined up exactly to be able to see it. And that's also why, despite the clouds, I try to capture it like you just saw, because this doesn't happen too often that it is exactly at my location. These two celestial bodies, they line up. I know that the moon and of course the planets are pretty close to one another in the night sky. So every month the moon approaches planets that are out in the night sky. But yeah, to line up exactly, that doesn't happen too often. So I could also show you. Where is it? Oh, that's not. My internet connection is poor, it says. Hopefully you will still get the live stream. I think it's okay. I think you can still see me, right? So anyway, Venus, let me check. Venus, distance. Venus is about 122 million kilometers away at the moment. And the moon is only about 400,000 kilometers away. So you don't need to worry about these two celestial bodies crashing into each other. Oh, can I? Let me try to re-stretch it again. So it's still super hazy. You can see the moon through the clouds. Yeah, sorry guys. So you can see here, this is the virtual view. Venus is like not half, I think it's about 40 minutes away from reappearing. So even though only the you can see that only the crescent, there's like a small crescent lit right now, but of course the moon is still there. Also the part that is not really well illuminated by the sun, it's still the moon in front of Venus. So we have to wait until the full moon actually is away from Venus, or Venus moves away from the sun, to actually see the reappearance of Venus on the other side. So that will be also on the dark side, or at least the side that isn't lit. And normally you can actually get a good view if you have a telescope like this. You can see it here. So you just increase the exposure a little bit and you can then see the moon. But oh, I'm with these clouds. No. Ooh. You can see maybe here. Anyway. So let's see. Yeah, it will reappear at 11:50. So that's still, I think it's about 45 minutes away. Ay, ay, ay. I was really hoping for clear skies. Yeah, the dark rings are, that's me having to clean my telescope. If it's like clear skies, you don't need to stretch the picture and you don't see them. But when it's super, super hazy like this, the only thing you can do is really, really stretch your image to the max. And then you will see those dust modes. Look, this is, I can show you the normal view of the telescope. That's actually this. You will only see this washed out sky. You can see a little bit here the moon. You have to look really, really close. So the only thing I can do is really, really stretch this picture to the max. And then we can actually see here some craters. But unfortunately also dust modes, I think. Anyway. Whoa. I don't actually think I can show you like the dark side, right? 2 milliseconds maybe. Let me see if that does anything. No, I can't show you. So in the daytime sky we can only see like, I can only show you the side of the moon that is lit. Let's see. So this is the situation at 11:50 and we are now at 11 o'clock. So Venus is about here right now. But anyway, we saw Venus go behind the moon, so that was pretty cool to see. Washed out again. Yeah. Of course, it just gets worse. Okay guys, it's only going to get worse, so I think I will end the live stream actually. So yeah, I think it was nice. We did see Venus go behind the moon. Unfortunately, the weather was very hazy. So if you want to rewatch it, you can. I think go back about maybe 20 minutes ago. We saw Venus actually disappearing behind the moon, so pretty nice to have seen it despite the clouds. And yeah, if you want to learn more about astrophotography and planetary imaging, of course, you can subscribe to the channel. And I hope you stay safe, you stay healthy. I hope you will have some clear skies in November. It's pretty challenging, but let's hope for the best and see you in the next video. Bye bye.